What makes us human is our potential to learn, to grow, to make a difference. Studies show the vast majority of adults with autism spectrum disorder are unemployed or underemployed. It's our mission to ensure they have the support, the opportunity to shine. That's why Stanley Black & Decker, together in partnership with Autism Speaks, is developing the NxtGen program, a community college curriculum focused on manufacturing skills. Stanley Black & Decker is proud to lead an effort toward a more diverse and inclusive workforce. For us, it's all about preparing the workforce of tomorrow for success. Because when everyone feels included, everyone feels empowered. Because together, we are more.